How small?
Small daw.
Kuya, how small?
Small egg?
Yeah.
What's your order?
What's your order?
Small egg.
Small egg?
Yeah.
What else?
French fries?
Yes, burger.
What else?
Chicken.
Chicken. What else?
Chicken. No.
Oh, bayad. Bayad ka na. How much bayad?
Tanong mo kay Kuya. Tanong si Kuya how much? Kuya.
Kuya,
Oh, Kuya.
how much?
Oh, how much?
Oh, oh, pay ka na $5 daw. Oh, $5.
Thank you!
Welcome, Kuya. I need to tissue.
Ay, wag yan. Sasayang.
Pwede ka na tayong tutusan.
Baby, you Zoe.
Baby Gino nga siya.
Pwede na utusan si Baby G. Baby
Gino.
Ay, Gino. Can you buy to Baba? I want to buy chips.
Yes.
Can you go,
Chocolate.
ay. Can you go to Baba and buy chips for Tata?
Yes. So, you correct. So sweet. So dami.
Kuya, how much?
How much, Kuya?